For many years, our customers have asked us to produce turbochargers. Customers often buy turbos as well as repair them to complement their range. We realized the only place our customers can buy complete units from was the OEMs or low-cost companies. Feedback suggested some of the lower quality turbos do not meet the emission standards, and customers were struggling to find good quality parts. We found a gap in the market to offer a premium brand turbo, which is not an OEM or a low-cost turbocharger. At Melett, we go through a robust MPD process to gather the initial requirements and evaluate the original product. We use a variety of test equipment to understand the flow of the turbocharger and use this information to help set and calibrate the turbo's limits. Our state-of-the-art measurement capability, along with the latest 3D modeling software to create engineering drawings for manufacture, ensures Melett parts accurately match OE specifications. Supplier quality is very important. We work with our trusted suppliers as partners. Melett quality engineers visit suppliers to ensure their processes can consistently produce the level of quality required on a large scale. Receiving the initial samples and assembling the first turbo is an exciting time in the NPD process. We conduct a series of test builds to find the best way of assembling the turbo. Involved in that process is flow testing. We ensure that all our turbochargers meet the exacting standards of the OE. The next phase is assessing the turbo's performance in the vehicle. To make sure controllability and drivability performs in the same way as the original, we measure the engine performance in terms of power, torque, transient response, and emissions. The next phase is mass production of our turbochargers. The quality levels are checked to ensure the manufacturing operation consistently meets the original design. Our skilled technicians assemble every core assembly in-house, following strict quality control procedures. The final part of the process includes flow testing for every complete unit. Finally, the turbo is packed into a Melett box and put into stock. We build, balance, flow, pack, and distribute all our turbochargers from the UK. Advances in emissions legislation have forced manufacturers to improve engine efficiency. With this, the turbocharger has become more complex. This is why Melett developed a range of electronic actuators. Throughout our development program, we have worked alongside automotive electronics experts. We reverse engineer the electronic actuators to create a new version by rewriting the software programming and creating a universal hardware platform. The advantage of this platform is we can use this for many different references in the aftermarket, making it more cost-effective. We carry out long-term on- and off-vehicle testing with the electronic actuators to ensure the drivability and functionality is correct. All Melett actuators are available as individual items to purchase, so you can use them to repair your turbo. Our development process has always been driven by our customers' wants and needs through the website requests and through our customers talking to us. At Melett, this is what we pride ourselves on. So if you want us to make something, tell us what it is and we'll make it.